Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see the bad debts treatment in Quickbooks Desktop. So let's get started, but if you want to follow the complete training from the starting, you can check out the complete playlist link in the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Next transaction is an adjustment entry, and it is of 17 January 2018. Mr. Abu Bakr didn't pay the due amount, thus treated as bad debts. Means customer cannot pay our balance back, and it should be treated as bad debt, which is an indirect expense. Now, there is no direct option in QuickBooks to book this entry. What we have to do is we will go in receive payments. We will do an indirect solution. I'll show you how. In the customer section, go to receive payments, select the customer, but we are not receiving the payment, but we have to settle the bill behind that. That's why we are not passing the journal entry for it. Otherwise, we could have passed the journal entry bad debt debit and Abu Bakr is credit. But in that case, this invoice will still remain open. I need to close this invoice. So I'll just select Abu Bakr and I will say that I want to settle this invoice not against cash but against discount. I'll give 100% discount. So discount and credits section is here. I'll go to the discount option and select 60,000 as a discount. When it asks the discount, I'll select bad debt. Press tab, set up this account as expense, save and close. Now discount that we give to the customer is also an expense and bad debt is also an expense. So I'll associate discount account to the bad debt for this particular scenario, and then done. 60,000 was the amount due. I have given 60,000 discount, so there is no amount due whatsoever. Now 17 January 2018. Reference number, you can mention any reference number here, and save and close or save and new. We will go back, go to reports and check the transaction journal. Bad debt is debit and account receivable is credit. This is the perfect entry. And let's check whether the invoice has been closed or not. Go to receive payments again, select the customer. See, there is no opening invoice showing here. So that means we have properly booked the bad debt against the invoice.